friends, in the last video we started making our Christmas tree. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Now let's start. Join a paper stick like this. Mark at 6 inches and fold inward. All sticks are connected, you can see. Fold a stick and add it to the mark like this. Fold the straight stick from the scale and add it to the frame. All sticks are connected, you can see. The big gap between two sticks will be filled with sticks. We have taken the frame of the cylinder. Now we will make homemade gum by dissolving 2 spoons of wheat flour in a glass of water, heating it on a low flame for 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Now we will stick the newspaper on our frame. our entire frame is covered, you can see. Fold the stick and join it together, and in this way make a ring of cylinder size. Make 6 rings. Connect 4 sticks at equal distance in the ring like this. Put it on the cylinder like this. Add one more ring to it like this. In this way, add 2 more rings. Friends, in the next part of the video, we will make and complete our Christmas tree. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.